What's up, everyone? As you're watching this, means it's probably 2019, so Happy New Year from me from the past. But I hope everyone has their New Year's resolution and is hopefully didn't already break it. And I hope everyone is not too hungover from last night. So I tried to film a video yesterday. It didn't work out. You know, it happens. It's a pain in the ass, but it happens. So today, I have a little bit of time. LZ is actually coming down. He's up for the holidays to hang out with the homies, which is awesome. So he's gonna come out. So we're gonna hang out today, do some fun stuff. I figured I'd film it and go from there. So Adam's driving the Evo down, and I'm really excited because I haven't been in it since it's all tuned and done up. I'm excited to go for a ride because everyone keeps telling me how crazy that car is. So damn, there's a homeless man on my couch.
What's up, dude?
What's up?
Just chilling.
How you been?
I'm chilling.
Dude, what do you guys think of the new orientation over here? We got bored. I like it. It looks bigger up here, right? Whatever. Oh, shit. Oh, we got a cool guy here, huh?
What up, brother?
I like the Vipers, dude.
Ready to shred, brother?
I'm ready to shred.
Go shred, brother.
Officer LZ reporting for duty.
Here to serve and serve. Serve.
Well, let me hear a little something. I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready for that. When did that get so loud?
It's never done that. That was sick.
No, who needs a coffee when you got that to the face?
That's sick.
Yes. Oh my God! It's like a, dude, it's like a diesel truck. Do it one more time.
It's not good for it.
Just like one more.
We did it twice already. That's about
Okay, well you guys saw
Let me
that.
put the glasses on.
Rolling coal out here, boy.
Here to serve. Serve.
Serve and serve.
Yeah, I need some donuts, my friends.
Oh, dusty bitch. Tommy's
Yeah.
not washing her for you. Come on, Tommy, step it up.
He's gonna step up his game. He's buying me glasses instead of washing my car like he should.
Alright, we're taking the Evo 5 for a rip. Adam just got this tuned last time he was here, so it makes almost 400 horsepower, which is pretty crazy. So Adam, I know, is gonna literally terrify me in this thing, so he'll probably have plenty of footage of me almost crying, so we'll see what happens.
He's crying?
What was that? I'm probably gonna end up crying.
I hope. That's my goal.
Alright, so Adam's setting the car up for GoPros, and Derek gave us a good suggestion on some good roads to drive, so we're gonna go rage, have some fun, and hopefully stay out of trouble. But I'm so excited for this. Alright, this is the point where I'm supposed to have GoPro footage of us driving the car, but it just didn't work out, so I don't have it, and I'm so sorry, guys. But I want to get this video out for you. I want to get a video out for you guys today, so we don't go another day without missing a video. So let's just continue on with the video, and I hope you still enjoy it. All right, that was quite a crazy experience. Being right-hand drive, being fast, and that light power steering really freaked me out. But what's up, guys? How are you?
That scared Tucker.
Oh, poor Tukey. Hi. So while we're here, I want to get you guys up to date on the S13. So as you guys know, we painted it, and I took all the masking off the engine bay, and look at it now. You can't even tell anything happened. I mean, this side still looks a little bit cleaner, obviously, but once I put this in some sunlight and wash it a few times, it'll match, no problem. But still can't get over this whole thing. I mean, this was so destroyed, and now it looks like nothing ever happened. Things back to looking like a show car. This is awesome. This thing is gonna look so gorgeous with the JZ in it. I'm so excited. So last night when I was here, I got a few things out of the car. I pulled the full exhaust since I won't be using it. So we have the full HKS exhaust right here, which I could sell and put it back into swap, which is sick. And I also have a one-piece aluminum drive shaft. Boom, right there. That's for 240, which the aluminum shafts go for good money, so I might be able to sell that and have just enough money to get a custom drive shaft done for the JZ swap, which is pretty sick. So even for engine swap like this that has been done so many times, there's always so much small little stuff that's so hard to keep track of and make sure you have it in time. So I was outside test fitting some new wheels, but I don't know exactly what we're doing today. We're just having fun, having a good day. All right, so you guys know the mandatory wrinkle black brake booster mod, because I got brake fluid all over it and ruined it. So I just spent the last hour stripping this damn thing. Looks good, right? Good enough.
I used a little bit higher of a grit than I probably should have, but whatever. We have a high build primer to make up for it.
Alright, so we got this whole thing primered finally, and now we're gonna take a Scotch-Brite and just kind of like scuff it up a little bit. It's gonna smooth down the primer, and it's gonna give it a better surface for the paint to stick to, because we want to make sure this lasts and I don't have to pull out again, because pulling out the brake booster kind of sucks. It's a pain in the ass. But I mean, you can already see.
Look how smooth that is versus, I hope you can see it. Well, the primer is like very, very small bumps when this is nice and smooth. Look at Sergeant.
The camera on my face. On the mood. How come he never lets me pick him up?
You gotta be quick.
Come here.
No, you gotta be quick. Show dominance.
Oh, he's out the front.
Got him. See? That's how, and that's how you pick up Tukey. Who's a good boy?
You're so slanky. That's lanky and slim. Hi. Oh, okay. Yeah, I know. You want your belly rubbed? You want your belly rubbed?
Alright, so now we got it all Scotch right up. We gotta clean it, of course, so you don't got no junk in the paint. No!
Hey!
Perfect timing!
For what?
To spray this.
That's your job.
I know. I was just like, I feel guilty like painting when you're around, because
I feel you.
if I fuck up, I'm gonna be upset.
You got this, bro. I'm gonna film it.
Oh, whoa. Ready for this one?
Well, you guys do a test spray. Don't go straight to the part. That's a rookie mistake. All right, it's looking pretty shitty. Lay it on there.
We'll lay it on the back, the bottom that you don't see. Okay. Oh, no, it's pretty good.
All right, all right.
Here we go. We're gonna walk it.
Oh, okay.
First coat.
That's it?
That's it.
Do a little bit more right there.
Oh, I see it.
You see it.
There we go.
Beautiful.
So we'll wait 5 minutes for another coat, then heat it with the heat gun, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what you do it. Stir it up. This stuff flashes so cool.
It's happening.
Look at it. Look at it go. I love this coat. Yeah, boy. A nice wrinkle. That's just classy, right? Look at that nice even wrinkle.
That's beautiful.
A1 wrinkle, my friends. Yes. RJ,
Jimmy,
you coming tonight or no?
I wasn't invited.
Really?
Yep.
Do you want to come?
Nope.
Okay. Well, I guess I'll see you next year.
Get it off!
Alright, back to me in the GTI. So, I completely forgot to film an ender for this video. It was such a mess of a day, but it was unreal. So today, now, is New Year's Day, but I hope you guys are feeling great and not too hungover. And but today we're going right down to the shop and getting right back to work. We got a lot of stuff to do on the S13 to get ready for the JZ, and something happened to Brian's E46 last night that is really unfortunate, and we'll be talking about it in tomorrow's video, so stay tuned for that. It really sucks, but we'll get everything perfect again. Whatever, that's it, but it's all right. So we're going down, getting breakfast. It's gorgeous out today, so let's go have some fun and end this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So we're just gonna head down to the shop and start my next video. So of course, if you guys aren't a Patreon, click the link in the description and join. Help support the channel, get some exclusive content, some early content, and we'll be starting our Patreon only giveaway very soon. So that's about it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.